Hey guys, welcome to this new video. Today video we talk about the top 5 most used social networks in Russia. The top 5 of the list is Live Journal.
It's a blogging platform which has been created around 1999. Russian users count half of the total user of this platform. It is a good place to develop and share your opinion and perspective online.
Top 4, you have Russie.
It is essentially Russian version of YouTube. It is centered on video sharing content of all types. It has not the same success as YouTube, but it has collected a wide range of content from a large number of diverse users. Most of the videos are in Russian, which make YouTube an valuable resource for anyone who is trying to learn the Russian language.
Top 3, vais. Vais means my word.
It is somehow like Facebook, but vais is an extension of the internet and email provider Mail.ru. It has over 5 million users monthly. Users can share images, music, and videos, as well as play games. You can also make friends. With other users.
Top 2, we have OK. OK is
Oknoklasniki, which means classmates. It is the second most used social network in Russia. It allows users to create profiles, share friends, share status updates, and then images. Its main objective is to reconnect users with their classmates and friends that they may lost touch over years. OK or Oknoklasniki allows users to make voice and video calls, send messages, and give virtual gifts. It has over 71 million users. The majority of the users of this platform is the older generation. And finally, top 1. Top 1 is Viki. That is the short name, and the original name is In Contact, which means in contact, like in contact with someone. So yeah, it's the most popular social network in Russia. It has over 97 million monthly active users. It has the same functionalities as Facebook and YouTube. So basically, users can create profiles, share, and add friends. They can also post videos, photos, and statues. People can upload videos and audio files of any kind and then share these resources with the other users. The majority of the users of this platform is the younger generation.
Besides those top 5 that I have listed,
the Western social networks are also used in Russia. For example, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Telegram. But it is important to notice that 50% of Facebook users are living in Moscow. This is the end of this video. Tell me in the comment what is the most popular social network in your country, and please subscribe and share the video.
See you in the next video. Bye bye.
Ciao.